So the concept of Basti or Vasti in Ayurveda, okay? So here what we are doing is like we are making a dough and we are applying the dough and making a well out of the dough. And then we are using a specific oil to manage or for your specific imbalance, which is like what you are suffering is pain, right? So this is a Griva Basti. Griva means neck, and we are doing this in the neck and upper shoulder area. So this is called it as a Griva Basti. Okay. So Griva means neck, Basti means something which is holding. So but Basti is the name used for bladder. If you remember the bladder concept in Ayurveda, you remember bladder? What does bladder does? Bladder holds the urine, right? So this well is holding the oil. So this is called it as a Griva Basti. Okay. Now the second one what we did here is a lumbar Basti, Kati Basti. Kati means lower back area and Basti means again a well. So we prepared the well and we put the well in the quadratus lumborum muscle area in the lower lumbar area. Okay, so this is a lumbar area, this is a mid back area, and this is a upper back area. Okay, understood? And now we are holding the oil for a specific amount of period of time in the specific organ area. Okay. So Basti is the line of treatment in for what dosha in the body? Vata. Vata, right? So we use the Basti for specifically the Vata disorders in the body. And what happens with the Vata in the body? It creates the, what is the quality of Vata? Dry. So what is the oil doing? Nourishing, moisturizing. So Basti is used for conditions like neck pain, osteoporosis, ankylosing spondylitis, the lower back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, and then stenosis. This is a spine, right? So this is in the spine when there is a tightness and stiffness and nerve, maybe discomfort at the nerve area, nerve level, then we will have a pain, right? So here with the Basti, we have a wonderful opportunity to nourish the Vata dosha in the body, to calm the aggravated Vata, and at the same time we use this for whiplash. We also use for temporomandibular joint pain. So for so many reasons in Ayurveda, we use Basti as one of the major karma, one of the major therapy to do, nourish, and do the Vata Shaman, get rid of the pain, oleate the channels. Because here also what happens in the tightness, in the stiffness, in the pain, in the sensitivity, what happens is like the Vata, the Ama is accumulated. Ama is blocking the channels. Ama is accumulated in these areas so that the Vata gets obstructed. And when Vata is obstructed, what happens in the body? Yeah, when there is an increase of the Vata, what happens? Our body feels or goes through the sensation of pain. Samvedana, shul. Shul is the word they use. Vata shul. This is called it as a Vata shul. If I use a pressure, then my wells will, the oil will come out. Okay, so I'm not using it because I did that on my last client, and I was doing 2 actions together. Generally, in India, when we do these bastis, we don't touch the client. Okay, we let them just sit calm and enjoy their basti. But if I don't touch the client, they will feel, oh, okay, what is this therapy? So I just make sure that you know that I'm here and working on your body as a massage therapist, But beautiful. Your both bastis are superb. I did not have any discomfort putting them, and any discomfort even holding the oil. So they were holding the oil so well. I do not see a leakage. I do not see the outcome from the well. So it was the beautiful basti for you. Okay, so as you mentioned me about your back pain, your osteoporosis, kind of we use the basti technique or the holdings of the oil for osteoporosis, for pain, for spinal stenosis, spinal injuries, nerve damage, nerve impingement, nerve sensitivity, too much pain, sensitive area, lower back pain, shoulder pain, mid back pain, neck pain. Also, we use the basti for releasing the pain, but at the same time nourishing your spinal cord of the body. What is the spinal cord? That's the structural rod of the body. Can you imagine that? It's one of the pillar of the physical body, right? It holds the body in an upright position. You remember? Alright, our Svedana therapy is ready. We will go in the steamer. The herbal steam is waiting. I will just remove the oil now, okay?